Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing credentials and enabling basic services so connections work reliably. Log into the router now, update firmware if outdated, and confirm the SSID and passphrase. Once done, make sure DHCP is on and set an appropriate IP range so devices get addresses automatically. Reserve IPs for printers or smart home hubs to avoid conflicts. Doing this first prevents access failures and simplifies later steps when you open ports or adjust advanced settings. Now you configure how devices join and what they can access. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Avoid WEP or open networks because they expose you. If visitors need internet, enable a guest SSID with client isolation and bandwidth caps to protect your main LAN. For trusted devices, add MAC reservations or use QR codes and WPS only briefly. WPS has risks, so disable it after setup. Make sure each method balances convenience. Finish by rebooting the router and testing connectivity from a phone, laptop, and one EOT device. Check both main and guest networks. Confirm internet access, local resource reachability like printers, and that devices received IPs in the expected range. If something fails, review router logs and client error messages, then restart the device network adapter. If problems persist, revert recent changes or perform a factory reset as a last resort, but make sure to back up settings first so you can restore them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.